This is a 2013 Subaru Impreza WRX. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed manual transmission, a 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, dual-zone climate control, high-intensity headlights, a turbocharger, a limited-slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, a CD player, leather seats, a passenger side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, child seat safety anchors, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 11,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.